Changing your ADT battery, a DIY guide.
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be talking about an important aspect of home security, maintaining your ADT security system. One common question we hear is, can I replace the ADT battery myself, or do I need to hire a professional? Good news, you absolutely can change the battery yourself. It's a straightforward process, and in this video, we'll guide you through it step by step.
Do you need to replace your battery?
Before we jump into the process, let's understand how to know if your ADT battery needs replacing. Your ADT system will typically inform you when the battery is running low. This might be through a beep, a flashing light, or a specific message on the display panel. In general, it's a good idea to replace your battery every 3 to 5 years, but always refer to your system's user manual for specific advice.
What type of battery do you need?
It's crucial that you get the correct replacement battery for your ADT system. ADT systems often use 12-volt sealed lead-acid (SLA) batteries, but the exact specifications can vary. To find out what battery you need, refer to your system's user manual or look at the existing battery in your system.
How to replace your ADT battery.
Now that we've covered when and what to replace, let's dive into the steps to replace your ADT battery. 1. Turn off the system. Before you begin, make sure your system is off to avoid any electrical issues. 2. Locate and open the battery compartment. This is usually found in the main panel of your system. In some cases, a screwdriver might be needed. 3. Remove the old battery. Carefully disconnect the leads connected to the battery, remembering or noting the placement of the wires. 4. Insert the new battery. Connect the leads to your new battery in the same way they were connected to the old one. 5. Close the battery compartment and turn on the system. Your system should start up normally and the low battery warning should clear. Remember, safety first. Always handle batteries carefully and responsibly. So there you have it. You can indeed replace your ADT battery yourself. By following these steps, you can ensure your ADT system continues to work effectively, keeping your home safe and secure. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to ADT's customer service for support. Thanks for watching, and here's to a safe and secure home.